Hey guys, it's your girl from Sha here, coming to you with a new do. These are Marley Twists using Cuban twist hair, and these are one of my favorite styles because they're super easy to do, so fast, and they're super cheap because your girl knows how to do them herself. So anything that I know how to do by myself, I'm definitely going to keep doing because I'm trying to save them coins. If you want to see how I achieved this look, and they are knotless, by the way. Knotless is in, knotless braids, knotless twists, all of that, because they are super easy on your roots. And I think that's the only reason. No? They're lightweight. So if you want to see how I achieved these super cute Marley twists, keep... Ah! Stupid bug. Hey guys, so let's get started. I've been rocking these twists for about 3 weeks and I just needed a little refresher. My scalp gets a little sweaty and I just wanted to get, feel fresh. So I'm using the Girl and Hair Moisturizing Sulfate Free Cleanser. This is my first time using the cleanser. I usually use the leave-in conditioner. As you can see, it's a little liquidy, so don't make the same mistake that I did. Start with the nozzle facing the back of your head, and I'm just going through my scalp and kind of scrubbing the cleanser in through my scalp as I go through each section. So once I put this in my scalp, it instantly felt really minty. There is some tea tree in it. So it was created with shea butter to thoroughly cleanse your hair and deliver ultimate moisture to thirsty hair follicles. I'm reading the back of the product. And it also says that they included tea tree and neem oil to treat and prevent an itchy and flaky scalp. So I instantly felt all of the ingredients on my scalp once I put it in. It just felt like my scalp was opening up. It felt really itchy beforehand. And as I was going through it, I could definitely tell the difference almost instantly. So I'm just going through and massaging the cleanser in throughout all of my hair. And so I made a little mistake, which you'll see a little bit later. So at first I decided, let me just use this towel and kind of scrub it through, and that will get the cleanser to be removed. So I wet the towel initially, and I'm scrubbing through. I even tried to mist a little bit more water on it, like, okay, it's gonna eventually go away. It's gonna eventually go away. But it didn't. It seems like this is setting up a lot more than I thought it would. I mean, the ingredients, it says wet natural relaxed hair and extensions, use applicator tip, lather and rinse thoroughly. Okay, so I have to go rinse this out. I'm gonna do it in the sink though, because I don't really like when my twists get all wet, because it gets super heavy and then it's gonna get really frizzy because it's already frizzy, and it's like, no. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll be right back. And just note, if you are planning on using the sulfate-free cleanser, be prepared to rinse thoroughly. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and I rinsed my hair out in 2 sections, mainly because I really only wanted to focus on the root. So I was showing that the ends of my twists were not wet. They were not dripping with water. It was mainly water dripping from my roots. So I'm just going to refresh the perimeter because I just needed the front to be looking, a little bit cuter. I used Cuban Twist Mojito twist braid in the super long because I love rocking them inches. So I had 24 inches. And they come in these separate pieces like I just showed. And all I do is fray the ends because it gives it more of a natural look at the end as opposed to just being super uniform, because I don't like uniformity in my hair all the time. So now I'm just going to untwist the braid that I'm going to redo. And I put a little bit of the oyin, hopefully I'm saying it right, pomade or pomade. I'm saying it with a Haitian accent, whatever. So I put the moisturizer in, and then I put the edgewax extreme hold just to give, you know, my edges a little more sleek look to it. I put it around the perimeter of my section, then I part that section in two. This is what's going to give you the knotless look, so please pay close attention. I'm going to take my two strands. One of them is just a previously used strand because I didn't have any more hair, so, and the other one is a new strand. So I'm just going to make sure it's even on both ends, and I'm going to place that directly in the middle. And this part is a little different from other tutorials that I've seen on YouTube. I'm really only going to twist one side counterclockwise. Nope, that's clockwise. I'm going to twist one side clockwise, and I'm not going to twist the other one. I just felt like my hands were not coordinated enough. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the twisted one and put it underneath the untwisted one, then start twisting both of them. As you're twisting, you need to make sure that your wrist is turning all the way. That means you don't want to just twist loosely. Your twists need to wrap around, as you can see that I'm doing right here. Twist it all the way around, because that gives it, that helps the twist last a lot longer. So if you don't do that, the twist will get loose, and I do that all the way down. Don't get lazy now. Do it all the way down. As you can see, I was a little bored. It takes a while to get all the way down that way, but it's really important. Also, don't mind the white residue from the edge wax. My hair is still a little wet from rinsing it. It will go away once you dry it. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. I'm going to section the part in two, put a little edge wax. I'm going to take the braids, so with this one I'm using two of the previously used pieces, and I'm going to twist the one in my right hand. And that's probably why I don't feel comfortable doing it with twisting both sides initially, because I'm not a lefty. So now the twisted side, I'm going to take it underneath the untwisted side and then start wrapping. So I feel more confident doing it with my right hand since I am right-handed. I'm going to twist all the way down, making sure that I really turn my wrist in its entirety. And I'm really only turning my right wrist. So as you can see, my left hand is kind of just holding on, and I twist my right wrist all the way down. You know, I had to throw in a little jam session. Always listening to music as I do my hair. So I'm done with that side. All right, y'all, we get it. Now I'm gonna show you guys the back real quick, because the positioning of my hands are a little bit different in the back, because it gets a little tricky back there. I just place my hand, my left hand holding onto the braid, and I'm twisting with my right again. And I'm going to do the same exact thing as I did in the front. I'm going to take the one that's in my right hand, which is already twisted, and I'm going to place it underneath the untwisted one. And I'm just going to do that all the way down. So with the parts in the back, I don't really mind if they're not super straight, because I honestly keep my hair down for most of the time. So I just do the perimeter, and the middle and the back are like still pretty neat, but they don't have to be perfect. So twisting all the way down, and this is the final look. Now I'm going to continue using my Girl in Hair products, and I'm going to use the hydrating infused milk as well as the leave-in conditioner. So the hydrating infused milk, It has aloe vera and tea tree oil, and it also adds powerful vitamins to promote hair health, as well as the leave-in conditioner. It just gives your hair that extra moisture that it always needs in a protective style. And even though I'm protective style queen, I need to make sure that I take care of my hair underneath, and I want all y'all to do that too, because it's one thing to just say, oh, I'm rocking a protective style, I'm protecting my hair, but then you're not even protecting your hair, which is why I really love the Girl in Hair products, because these are the first line. This is the first line of hair care products that go straight to helping protective styles. So here is the finished look. So you can either wear middle part, side part, and I've decided to decorate it a bit as well. And this is my favorite hairstyle, as I said, because it just goes with the vibe that I want to be given off. I just really love Marley Twists. Anytime I need a quick style, this is it. Alright, until next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the kid. Thanks again for watching, y'all. See you next week.